Hi guys, previous video I showed you I bought this little handheld battery operated fan. I bought a pair of them actually. I thought we'd have a look inside just to see what space we've got, because I have it in mind that it might be nice to convert it to a LiPo battery or lithium ion battery so it's rechargeable. That one's not going to fit in there. Yeah, that'll do. Don't expect to see anything exciting in there. We've only got a couple of batteries, an on-off switch, and an electric motor. And there we go. Wire's a bit short on the motor. So, battery pack, or two batteries anyway. On-off switch in the middle. That's the push plate with a spring under it, and then the electric motor up there. So what was important to me was what sort of space we have just here, and the answer is not a lot. And you do need to retain these plastic, the walls just here to hold the on-off switch in place. And we could cut this out and come out this way a bit. That would give us more space. And we could probably get a small LiPo battery in there. Yeah, that might work. And ideally, over on one LiPo battery in there, because that should be enough to run it. And over that side, we could even get the charger module in there. Although we might struggle to get a USB port sticking out nicely. But yeah, we could cut the inside of there out, and that would open it up for a small LiPo battery. I don't think I've got any LiPo batteries that are small enough to go directly in there. But what we can't do is cut across there. That's what I wanted to know. Because if we cut across there, we could have a reasonable size rectangular LiPo battery in there, and that would be fine. But we can't do that because the on-off switch is in the way. So we'll have to have a think. Not going to do anything at the moment. It was just to have a look inside. So I'll put it back together, and that'll be it for now. I suppose I ought to show you putting it back together. The push button there has got a little peg on the top of it. Can we turn the light on? Yeah. Little peg just there to make sure you get it lined up properly. And then there's an indentation for the spring to sit. So it should all fit together nicely. You line the holes. Yep, I think we got it back together. I just realised what I didn't do was take that flap right out, because it looked like it actually is fed through from inside to get it in position. Possibly. Can't see any other way of getting it in there. So yeah, I think that when it's in two pieces, that piece is fed through from inside. Yeah, I should have done that. Too late now. Not going to take it apart again. Yep, it's still working. These screwdrivers, Poundland used to do them for £1. I got quite a few of them. Love them. They're much more, well, I say much more expensive. They are more expensive now if you want to buy them anywhere. But very handy with a little selection of bits tucked away in there. Got a magnet in the end that grips that in place. The magnet's sort of just in about there somewhere. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.